Welcome back to unewsmedia, where we state the facts and you make the opinions. I know it's been a little while since we've created any content, not only on YouTube, but also on our other social medias. We are back. We're here to stay. We're not going anywhere. We're going to build this community, and we are looking forward to having you guys be a part of our community and support us in this mission in unbiased news. Today we have a story of a pretty tragic event. I will be getting in it here in a second, but before we start, I'd like to thank our Patreon member, Matthew. If you would like to be a Patreon member, please visit the link down below. Here's the story. Good evening. We bring you a report on a tragic event that occurred in Winder, Georgia. On Wednesday, a shooting at Appalachee Highschool resulted in 4 deaths and multiple injuries. On Friday, 14-year-old Colt Gray made his first court appearance, facing 4 charges of felony murder. The shooting, which took place on Wednesday morning at Appalachee High School, claimed the lives of 2 students and 2 teachers. The victims have been identified as Mason Schermerhorn, age 14, Christina Angulo, age 14, Richard Aspinwall, age 39, who was a math teacher and a football coach, Christina Irami, age 53, a math teacher and a Romanian immigrant. Addition to the fatalities, 9 others were injured and 7 of them suffering gunshot wounds. All injured individuals are expected to survive. Colt Gray's court hearing, presided over by Judge Curry Mingledorf II, lasted less than 10 minutes. The suspect appeared with public defender Zane Harmon, wearing a green t-shirt, khaki pants, and boots. No request for bond was made. Judge Mingledorf informed Gray that he would not face death penalty due to him being a minor. The maximum sentence he could receive is life in prison, with or without parole. Colt Gray's father, 54-year-old Colin Gray, also appeared in court on Friday. He was arrested on Thursday facing multiple charges, including 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter, 2 counts of second-degree murder, 8 counts of cruelty to children. These charges are directly connected to his son's actions and allegedly allowing him to access the weapons he used in the shooting. Colin Gray appeared with public defender Donna Seagraves and could face up to 180 years in prison if he's convicted. The weapon used in the attack has been identified as a black AR-15 style semi-automatic rifle. The school went into lockdown when shots were fired and students huddled in classrooms for over an hour before being evacuated to the school's football field. It is believed that the locked classroom doors and new alarm systems have prevented further casualties. Investigators have uncovered evidence suggesting the shooter had an interest in mass shootings, particularly in 2018 Parkland, Florida incident. Charlie Palamas, the shooter's maternal grandfather, hinted at a troubled home life, stating, "My grandson did what he did because of the environment that he lived in." The incident marks the 30th mass killing in the United States in 2024, with at least 127 people killed in such events this year. A mass killing is defined as an incident where 4 or more people die within a 24-hour period, not including the perpetrator. It's worth noting that in May 2022, the FBI was alerted to threatening messages on Discord about shooting up a middle school. The account was associated with an email belonging to the suspect. However, investigators couldn't definitively link the threats to the boy, who was 13 at the time. In May 2023, both Colt and Colin Gray were interviewed by authorities regarding menacing social media posts. Colt denied making threats, claiming that his account was hacked. During this interview, Colin Gray mentioned that he and his wife were no longer together and had been evicted from their home. He also stated that he had hunting rifles in the house, but claimed his son didn't have any unfettered access to them. The shooting has reignited debates on gun control and storage laws. A similar case in Michigan saw parents Jennifer and James Crumbly convicted in April for their son's school shooting, receiving sentences of at least 10 years in prison. Preliminary hearings for both Colt and Colin Gray have been set for December 4th. As the story continues to develop, we will provide updates as more information becomes available. This concludes our report on the Appalachee High School shooting. Our thoughts are with the victims, their families, and the Winder community during this difficult time. That is the story for today, folks. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your guys' thoughts on this topic. We are building a community for unbiased news where people can share their own opinions and respectfully have debates rather than argue. If you agree with what we are doing, please consider subscribing or visit the link down below if you'd like to see more of our content. It has all of our social medias there. We are currently on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. We hope to be on more platforms soon. And again, thank you guys for your time and watching this video. And remember, don't let anyone tell you what to think. Have a good day.